Hello, this is Taylor and Sons here, Chevrolet, with a quick video on the 2004 Cadillac SRX wagon with the white diamond pearl. It's four-wheel drive, or I should say all-wheel drive. And on the exterior of the vehicle, looks very good. There's no scratches or dents. The car has brand new tires on it. We put tires on it before we put it on our lot, amongst other things. This is the driver's side of the vehicle. Here's the back of the car here. It does have the V8 North Star. Some backup sensors there, rear park assist. As you can see, it looks very nice. You have dual chrome tipped rear exhaust there. It is a 2004. It does have a little wear and tear on it. You get closer up here to the bumper, you see a couple little scuffs on there. It's probably from loading and unloading stuff in the back of the car. On this side, there's really nothing to point out. This is the passenger side. Great condition, no dents or scratches. Well, there's a little one right here by the gas. It's a little scratch right there. I think we'll probably fix that. Touch-up paint. And a little dimple there as well in the rear passenger quarter panel. Almost not even noticeable. Passenger side of the vehicle. And then on the front. There's another little spot right here. I'm sure we'll go ahead and touch that up. We just got this car in and we're still making it ready. Still getting it ready for the sale. Inside the vehicle, you have a light cashmere interior. It's leather. You do have the heated seats. An ebony dashboard. The car is equipped with OnStar. Your entertainment system, your heating and air conditioning, dual climate. Inside the back of the vehicle, this is the second row of seats here. There it is folded down. This does come up. Excellent condition back here. The upholstery looks great. Spot on the floor mat. So about this thing, the only thing this does not have would be say a moonroof or a DVD player or a navigation. Here's the driver's side of the vehicle. Storage right underneath the panel there for the driver's window, power locks, operations, memory seat buttons. Inside the vehicle, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Car does have cruise control. Center armrest. There's two compartments there. home link system. You can program a garage door to that, or 3 garage doors. rear windshield wiper. 2004 Cadillac SRX Sport Coupe SUV, 4.6 liter V8, all-wheel drive. Thanks for your time. I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll be in touch.